Well, welcome to Chainsawbobs 2014 Yamaha XT250 first ride. I started to get on this thing and I stopped and I thought, well, I ought to get this on video here because this is a beautiful bike and it'll never ever be this nice again. Not after I get through with them. So I kind of walk around it here, and the Yamaha blue is kind of growing on me. I never liked that color over the years, but it sure is pretty when it's new. So we're going to take her for a little ride here. It's rained for the last 3 days since I bought this bike and haven't been able to even get it out of the garage. So it had 0.2 of a mile on it there. We're going on its little maiden voyage down through here. This is the famous Hogback Drive, just a couple blocks from my house. I ride this pretty often and I want to take a little dirt ride. It's real nice and close for me. And in just a couple 3 minutes here, well, we're going to find out why it's called Hogback Road. Sure is beautiful here today. About 37 degrees when I rode, but at least the sun was shining. It was pretty chilly though. Road's a little narrow there. I just give everybody plenty of room. I'm in no hurry. That's the Toccoa River down there. It goes on north in Georgia here and goes on into Tennessee where it becomes the Toccoa River. Ocoee River, excuse me, Ocoee River. It's called Hogback Road because this is just a natural ridge that goes across through here and it drops off on both sides there about, oh, maybe 100 feet or so. And the river goes down and loops all the way around and comes back around the other side over there. So thus the name Hogback, like the ridge on a hog's back. I've taken right to this new Yamaha. This reminds me when I ride it very much of my XT225 that I had. And I got on it and was instantly comfortable on it. That doesn't happen very often for this old man. If it has good power, it has good tires. That the Honda 250 had awful tires that I had on it, the new one. I can touch the ground when I set on this. The seat height is only like 0.9 of an inch higher than the TW200 is. I don't know how many of these bikes Yamaha sells, but I don't think a lot of people look at this as being a kind of an ideal trail type of bike to ride the trails and ride the streets and stuff on. It's just a little muddy up through here after we've had 3 days of rain. The river's just off down there to the right, down the woods down there at the flatland down there. This is called Horseshoe Bend on the river. Right up here on the left is a graveyard where an older man and his woman or his wife were buried there, and they've got about 20 or 30 slaves buried around them there, off up in the woods up here in the middle of nowhere. Some of these days I'll go up here and video that. It's kind of a sad place. It's right there to the left. Well, we're heading back out. This just makes a loop back in here. Get a little better look there at the Toccoa River. Can't quite see it on the other side here. Beautiful ride. Well, looking at this, you'd think I was doing 120. I'm probably doing 25. Well, folks, thanks for going along with me for my first ride on that 250, the new 250.